US dollar index this week has dropped in value, but we can see that the price has continued to fall down, reaching the next support and also the next start of this demand zone, and then the price is back up, going and reaching 104.22, currently acting as a supply zone. And we can see from here the price is bouncing back down, did not reach with a candle body above, which means this is the selling pressure currently active on the market that is pushing the price even more down. And we can see on the Thursday and Friday the price continued to fall down. And on the weekly time frame, we can see that this looks bearish. The price is falling down even more, and it is currently the price is between 104.21 resistance level and support, which is 101.31. If we go to the monthly time frame, we can see that the whole month is bearish, and we can see that the price is not stopping at the very critical support levels and is falling even more down, which means there are no buyers at all inside the market. Everything is on the selling side. On the monthly time frame, we have one more week until this month ends, but as it looks right now, this will end as a bearish one. It is just a matter of the question where the price will stop. The next one where the price will stop is this one, 102.82 on the monthly time frame. It is very important level also for the monthly time frame, just in order to prevent the price to fall down even more. But as it looks, this support level will not be so strong to hold the price for a very long time. I'm expecting that the price will reach this area and then bounce a little bit up, reaching probably around 103.43, but we will see that much more clearly on the weekly and so daily time frame. For the price, very important level in order to return back up is this one here, which is 104.22 price level, and we need to see will the price manage to reach that area above. If we go to the weekly time frame, we can see that very important level for the price is currently it is here. First one is 10.72, and also the one I have just mentioned, the 104.22. So for the price on the weekly time frame, in order to continue to at least to be a bullish attempt to move the price on higher price levels, the price needs to close above 104.22. Below that, we can see that very important levels for the price is this one here, which is 102.85. See, this is a very important level for the weekly time frame for now, but we will see that much more clearly on the daily time frame. If the price goes below this one on the weekly time frame, this next one where the price could stop is this one, 102.18. If we go to the daily time frame, we will see that 102.86 is very important level on the weekly time frame, but we can see that for the daily time frame here, the start of this demand zone 103 price level is much more important for the price. And if the price goes below this one, where the price will break below that, the next one where the price will stop is the lower side of this demand zone. It is 102.66. So I'm expecting that the price will reach next week this area 103.00 price level, and then from there it will make a bounce a little bit, and we'll see how that bounce will be big enough. But for me, as it looks right now, this will not be a very strong one. In order for the price to make some kind of a small attempt on the bullish side, it needs to go above 103.79. We can see it here on the chart, and then the next one is 104.32. We can see it here, a very important level for the price on the daily time frame. So if the price would like to make a bullish breakout, this is the price level that needs to make a breakout to the upside. But for now, everything looks for me as it is a bearish one, where the price is moving to the lower price levels. I will also share my entry idea and also stop loss and the take profit for the next week inside the trading community. Below this video, you have inside the description, also inside the comment, a link to the free PDF tutorial I have made for you as a trader to see what are the next steps for the traders, and also what are the steps how to make the supply and demand zone analysis I am currently sharing with you. If you would like to get that free PDF, just click the link below and follow the steps. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!